Well, I was supposed to make stuffed peppers today, but Walmart delivered the wrong order to my house. What am I supposed to do with 4 cans of Maxwell House coffee? I don't even drink coffee. Well, after one trip to the store, we finally got the actual ingredients to make this. This is Chipotle black bean and corn stuffed peppers. The cool thing about this is it's vegetarian. It's not vegan because we still have the sour cream in here and the cheese. I love cheese though. But anyway, the only difference we made is that I added in some green chilies because green chilies are awesome. You can never go wrong with green chilies. So let's go! I wish someone would split me in half. You got a problem with my shoes? You're just jealous because I got more drip than you. Mistakes were made. I think I need a larger bowl. It sounds just like... Never mind. My guess was a little high. I had a lot of the mixture left over, so what I did was I threw it all into a separate pan so that I can bake this also. At this point, we need to cover it and then put it in the oven. I don't know how I'm supposed to cover this. I guess. Okay. Ugh. Ow. Oh God, it's too tight. Okay. Wait, I forgot the other one. Well, that was a short 20 minutes. Now we just top them with cheese and we bake them for another 20. Oh, looks like I gotta get the stuff out of the oven. Ugh. We did it. Well, it's kind of hard to keep the peppers upright, but they turned out really well and they smell really good. So time for the taste test, starting with you. Oops, it's all gone. Who stole my pepper? So, first review, these are pretty awesome. If there's one thing I'd say it could use would be more seasonings, because just having the Chipotle and sour cream is definitely a, to say the least, a regular white person recipe. So if you want more seasonings for it to have more vibrancy, definitely put in like a packet of taco seasoning with it, and that should definitely literally spice it up a lot. Other than that, the filling was very watery. I don't know if that's because I didn't drain them enough or if it just gets watery when you do that, but maybe I should have let it bake for a little longer without the cover on it so that it could like dry out a little more, because it was kind of watery inside. But other than that, these were pretty good. So feel free to try them out if you like your vegetarian stuffed peppers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ow!